Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to present role of chemistry in COVID crisis, helping hand against COVID crisis. Before discussing the role of chemistry in COVID crisis, we shall discuss what actually chemistry is. As we know, all thing around us is made up of matter. So understanding the basic property of all these and explain how they change when they react to form new substance is what chemistry are all about. Chemistry is not limited to beakers and laboratories. It is all around us. And better we know chemistry, better we know our world and its natural phenomena. Okay. Next, my topic is chemistry can be starting and ending of any crisis. The chemical industry had endured presence across the globe. There are large number of chemical industries which provide large number of input to uplift living standard of people all over the world. But with this also it contribute to variety of sustainable challenges. For example, this graph tells us the oil and gas industry underperformed against the S&P 500 over the past 15 years. The outbreak of SARS COVID-19 pandemic has exposed oil, gas and chemical industry to major challenges. In short, in other words, there are a large number of oil, gas, chemical industries, but due to COVID-19, they exposed to two major challenges. One is oil prices war and another is exposed lockdown in worldwide. This result in unbalanced produce between demand and supply of crude oil. With that, manufacturing expenditure has been cut down to 40% to 60% and supply of the raw material also decrease. Next topic is role of chemistry against COVID-19 crisis in worldwide. As we know, there are large chemical industry and oil producing industry. So to produce medicine which are every hour need in the days of COVID-19, medicines and disinfectant are very crucial, very important for these days, and these are produced by chemical and oil product, and for these chemical and oil product are essential raw material which are required to produce safety equipments or medicines to survive against coronavirus. Agrochemical industry of India is largely dependent on China for raw material. China government is offering export rebate to pesticide manufacturer due to ease of the lockdown, which enhance production level to reach 70% of normal. This is green signal to agrochemical sector. Other topic is sharp increase of production and packaging of sanitizer. As we know, during COVID-19, disinfectant, antiseptic, food packaging, medicines are all very important for survival. So COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the demand for disinfectant, antiseptic, etc. Next point is the spread of COVID-19 has triggered a sharp rise in demand of isopropyl alcohol, which is key ingredient. As we know, alcohol is used in many drugs and medicines to cure any disease. Chemical sector has decided to produce isopropyl level to maximum plant capacity. Sugar mill in northern India has started supplying alcohol, ethanol, ethyl alcohol, ENA, it means to say extra neutral alcohol, to company produce hand sanitizer. Next, our point is as vaccine and medicine are preparing in many countries, Immediate outbreak of the COVID-19. Due to immediate outbreak of the COVID-19, many companies jump in the race to invent vaccine and medicine. Some of these countries, oldest countries, pharmaceutical company Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceutical Ltd was suddenly under spotlight due to sudden worldwide demand for HCQ, hydrochloroquine, which is the most sought after drug in the treatment of COVID-19. Next point is chemistry or Lakshman Rekha against COVID-19. Chemistry is Lakshman Rekha against COVID-19. The only way to conquer COVID-19 is to motivate every citizen to become an ambassador of the war against COVID. Following chemist's guideline is only the way to differentiate, to separate a person from COVID. And with these guidelines, a successful chemist or our hard work chemist can work for the welfare of the society. Chemistry has a key role to play in understanding everything from viral structure to pathogenesis, isolation of vaccine and therapies, as well as in the development of material and technique used by the basic researchers. The virtual issue aimed to provide a brief overview of the important contribution of chemistry to understanding and control the spread of the coronavirus. Next my question is that is experience of chemist and age of chemistry is the only important tool against COVID-19? No, no doubt that experience of chemistry and how modern is our chemistry is an important tool against COVID-19. That it also exists for COVID-19, that how modern is our country. But at the same time, human immunity, its body response against any disease, thought of human regarding COVID-19 can't be ignored. So, as you know, experienced chemist can only treat us, but how our body going to work against that disease is also a point to be noted. So, last topic, understanding darkness of COVID-19, a thought of spotter of chemistry. Effect of the disaster became so microscopic and indivisible. As we know that COVID-19 is not that geographical area crisis like earthquake, a cyclone. Effect of disaster became COVID-19. Disaster became so microscopic and indivisible that one can easily underestimate its presence, as it happened in the earlier day of pandemic. Even then, some are calling it myth according to their convenience, according to their thought. But to accept the deepness of COVID-19 is an important step to fight against COVID. And second step is to take fast response against COVID, like lockdown, fast response. Government should respond fast against this. Citizens should respond fast regarding this, not only physically distancing and lockdown, but also in the speed of reach of preventing messages. Thank you, friends. I hope you all get aware of my view. I hope my view are able to make you understand clearly. Thank you.